Alright, hey guys, I have a small Super Tarts order today. This is going to be super quick. I went in for one thing and I wanted to make shipping worthwhile, so I grabbed two other things. So I'll show you that in just a minute. I got a sample. I like these little bars that she's doing. I think they're super cute. This is Ezra. This I'm not 100% sure what it is. It's like raindrops. I could probably look it up, but I'm being lazy today, so I've never loved this one, and now smelling it, I can see why. I need to see what's in here to see what I don't like, because I don't like this one. I like most of her fresh and like rain scents, but that one I don't. There's something in there that I do not like. Effie is, I think it's like a grape soda. It's got grape in it. Oh yeah, and you know what? This is one that oh yeah, it's like grape. This is one that I got from a D-stash a long time ago, and I wasn't sure that I was gonna like it, but I actually really like this. It's crazy because this is a scent that I would have never, I don't know, I just would never have foreseen myself melting grape fizzy scents. So yeah. So I'll show you what I went in for. Well, I didn't go in for this one, but this one was there, and I hadn't tried Serious in a while. Serious Black, which is blackberry, sandalwood, and black pepper, which is super appropriate. I didn't like this one the first go around, so I thought, well, you know, my nose is changing. Let me see. So this one, the blackberry, and this is probably why I didn't like it, was that blackberry, but I've never warmed it to give it a chance, so I think I will try to warm this to see if that black pepper and sandalwood kind of comes out a little bit. Blackberry scents for me are like very hit or miss, so yeah, I just went ahead and tried that. I was feeling the Harry Potter love. This is the scent I went in for, which is Jenny, which is elegant floral, spice musk, vetiver, lime, cognac, and orange. So this is Lush Celebrate and Body Shop Smoky Poppy type. Now I've never smelled Smoky Poppy, but I have had Celebrate a bazillion times from Lush. This scent is so unique. You definitely have to be in the right mood for it. You definitely have to have the nose for it, but I love the scent, and she said that she can't get the oils for this one anymore, so this is like the end of this one. So I grabbed three. I tried to grab like 5, but it would only let me grab 3. So this one is just the mix of the two, and again, I don't know what Smoky Poppy is supposed to smell like, but this one is just such a unique scent. It just smells good. It's not overly floral, but it kind of is, but I don't like florals, so grabbed 3 of those bad boys. Go ahead and just put that there. So that should hold me up. And by the time I get to the 3rd clam, I'll probably be sick of it by then anyway, so, but I'm gonna try to go through those slowly so I can, you know, warm it when I'm in the mood. Krampus, which I don't remember if I've tried before. This is salty sea air, pink sugar, patchouli, black pepper, and vanilla bean. So it's basically Lord of Misrule. Those 3 bottom notes are Lord of Misrule, and then pink sugar and salty sea air. So salty sea air and pink sugar. I feel like maybe I got a sample of this from my friend Candy. I feel like she sent me a little sample of this. This one's pretty good. I feel like the pink sugar kind of gives that Lord of Misrule more of a feminine note. And it says vanilla bean on here, which I don't think the actual Lord of Misrule is vanilla bean. So I wonder if she kind of mixed her own little concoction here. Because it does smell a little bit softer than like Lord of Misrule. So we'll see how that one does on warm, but that was my haul. That was it. Like I said, I was trying to go small. There wasn't much on the site anyway, so I just wanted to go in for the Jenny scent and call it. But anyway, so that is my Super Tarts. So that is my Super Tarts haul. She's had quite a few pre-orders going on, which I've been good and restrained from. I do have a few certain scents that I have got through that I'm like, if she does offer those, I probably will try to get them. And what I'm trying to do with her stuff, because I have quite a bit of Super Tarts, is I'm going through and warming her stuff and trying to figure out like what my favorites are And usually I'll get those in like BAM bags. So essentially at some point I want to have like maybe, I don't know, my top 20 scents from Super Tarts in BAM bags. And then I'll just rotate through those instead of trying new things or trying things that I haven't tried on the site before or that I've tried before and I don't like. So yeah, I feel like I've tried a lot of her stuff. So I feel like I kind of know what I like and don't like. And I actually don't love most of her like top sellers, which is so crazy. I think Jenny was like super underrated. Like I don't think many people knew about Jenny, but that one is so good, just unique. Yeah, so that's about it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.